Hi everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. Today we are going to talk about how we can fix NPM error of latest version. Now this is a React project of latest version, and after building our project, running it using our latest node version, it is showing this error. So let's check what version we are running it. That is node version 17.3.0, as you can see. So it is showing this error on development server, and in order to fix it, we are going to use a technique that is open SSL legacy provider. Now on running the project, you can see that my application is running. Okay, so in order to debug this problem, you must understand that the node version that is currently built up in this project is actually a lower version that is not supported mostly in this current version 17.3.1. So we are using this technique called the OpenSSL legacy provider in order to support our project within the tightened restrictions that help us in building the project. Thank you.